Welcome back to cooking every single recipe in the official 5 Nights at Freddy's cookbook. Today we're making Bonnie's Buddha Bowl. Don't forget to subscribe and vote for what I make next in the comments below. To start this recipe off, you're going to want to cut up all your vegetables, which includes thinly slicing 1 red onion, chopping or spiraling 1 medium zucchini. At this point you can also cut up your broccoli, but I was getting my dad to help with prep and cooking the broccoli, so you're not going to see that in this video. And you want to cut up 5 radishes. Now, you want to chop up about 100 grams of tofu into bite-sized pieces. Now, you're going to make the pickled onions by adding a tablespoon of rice wine vinegar and a teaspoon of sugar, and then just letting it sit in itself. Make sure you coat all the onions first before you let it sit though. Now, you're going to cook your tofu. You're going to want to add like a tablespoon of olive oil and let that heat up to about medium heat, and then add the tofu and cook it until it just starts to crispen. Once it starts its crispening, then you want to add a tablespoon of maple syrup and a tablespoon of soy sauce, and cook it until it becomes like sticky. Now add the other tablespoon of olive oil to a pan on high heat and cook a can of chickpeas until they start to char, and then you want to add a teaspoon of harissa spice mix. while these are cooking. You can also steam the broccoli, cook the lentils, and cook how much rice was it? 2 cups of brown rice. Also, that is like 2/3 a cup of cooked broccoli, and the lentils is a 1/3 cup lentils. Just cook those. I didn't show them because it just specifies cooked in the recipe anyway, so I got my dad to do that. He's very helpful. I'm very grateful. Now to serve, you're going to want to just put some rice on the bottom of the bowl, and the idea of a Buddha bowl is to keep everything separate in their own section. Then you sprinkle some pumpkin seeds and sesame seeds on top of everything, add salt to the zucchini, and then add a nice generous helping of sriracha to the entire thing. I added too much, and a spoonful of hummus to the center. This was very good. Put too much sriracha on. Too spicy for me. I finished it though because I'm not a wuss. But I would definitely make this again. It was very, very, very good. I would highly recommend it. 9.5 out of 10.